Hello, hello, hello. Now I want to solve this linear system by substitution. So remember, the first step is to determine which of these variables is easiest to get by itself. And that is not always a straightforward answer, but in this case it is. Why? Because the coefficient here is a 1. So all I need to do is shift this guy to the other side to get x by itself. So let's go ahead and do that. When I subtract 4y from both sides, I get this expression. So there's my first step. So I've isolated this isolated the variable x. Now I'm just going to take that and I'm going to place it into that equation right there. So let me do that over on the side here. 2 times, and instead of writing x, I'm going to write -1 minus 4y. And then I keep going with this plus 5y equals 4. Plus 5y equals 4. Now I'm going to use the distributive property here in order to get rid of the parentheses. Combine like terms. And while I'm at it, I'm going to add the 2 to both sides. Now divide both sides by -3 to get a -2. So as we see, we're halfway done in the sense of halfway with our problem. So now I just need to substitute that back in. This -2 can go anywhere. I can plug it into here, here, or a little bit faster would be here. So I'm going to plug it into right there. So -4 times -2. So x is equal to -1 plus, so we end up with a 7. So our solution is 7, -2. And there we go. Now we're going to be able to solve by graphing, which is also a way to test this. So let's go ahead and enter the data in here. So here I've entered the data into Desmos there. And now when we scroll over to where they intersect and tap, we get 7, -2. So there we go. We've solved by substitution, and now we've verified or solved by graphing. And there you go.